Okay, what I'm looking at here is ADS bonding, and it's mainly to do with bonding. And you need to read this for yourselves, okay? I don't need to read this out to you. But okay, but it's important that you are familiar with the automatic disconnection of supply, fault protection, indirect contact, okay? Earthing and bonding, okay? Now be aware what that means in itself, okay? Now again here, side of protective conductors, okay? That plays an important part. Look at that for yourself. Be sure that you understand it, okay? Earthing system components. What are the components that you need to be familiar with? Okay. Earth electrode, earth fault current, earth fault loop impedance, etc., etc. Okay. And thank you. I hope you found this useful. Let me just go back up. Just recap, make sure I get everything in. Okay. And it's ADS bonding. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.